Let's talk about visibility. In every Avengers mission, Iron Man knows exactly which team member needs backup because he's constantly tracking everything with real-time data. But in sales, most leaders find out a rep is falling behind way too late. After deals have slipped, targets are missed, and the quarter is ruined. This lack of insight leads to missed opportunities and missed revenue. AI tools like Salesforce, HubSpot, Gong, and moksy.ai give you instant visibility into every rep's activity. Calls, emails, deal hygiene, follow-ups, win rates, and they flag struggling reps before the damage spreads. You can now take action early, coaching, supporting, and saving revenue before the issues become catastrophic. It's like Tony Stark's HUD for your sales team, total visibility and no more guessing. Why wait until it's too late? Get Stark level visibility now. Subscribe for next episode where things get even clearer.